Alright, we're going to talk about TOI-700D. It's a dense, rocky, near-Earth-sized exoplanet orbiting within the habitable zone of the red dwarf TOI-700. It is located roughly 101.4 light years away from the Earth in the constellation of Dorado, and it is the outermost of the four confirmed exoplanets around its star. The exoplanet is the first Earth-sized exoplanet in the habitable zone discovered by the Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite tests. TOI-700D orbits its star at a distance of 0.161 AU, or 15 million miles from its host star. With an orbital period of roughly 37.4 days, and it has a radius of around 1.19 times that of Earth. It has been estimated that the planet uses about 88% of the energy of the Earth received from the Sun. It was discovered in early January 2020 by the tests. It is slightly larger than Earth with a radius of 1.16 Earth radian. However, it is still more massive at about 2.4 Earth masses, with a density around 8.5 grams per centimeter. The planet's high density indicates a rocky composition with a higher function of iron than Earth, and may be explained by high energy giant impact events during its formation. The planet has an air temperature would be about 268.8 K, or 24.2 Fahrenheit, and receives 86% as much sunlight as Earth does from the sun. The surface temperature of TOI-700D is likely higher if it has an atmosphere. A small chance of runaway greenhouse effect exists. Host star. It's a red dwarf spectral M that is about 40% the mass and radius, and very roughly 50% of the temperature of the sun. The star is bright with its low levels of star activity. With 11 sectors observed with tests, the star does not show a single white light flare. The low rotation rate is also indicator of low star activity. So this is good. I mean, these stars are destroying the habitability of a lot of these planets. So this is a good sign of this planet's habitability. And the, the surface temperature is very good too. And the star flex is very good, and the size is very good. I mean, yeah, I'd put this high up. It orbits every 37.42 days. It has an orbital rate of about 1.61 AUs. 88% of the sunlight of Earth. Habitability. It orbits the habitable zone of its star. The solar winds, ground pressure, and intensity of the interplanetary field are expected to be similar to the Earth. The rotation of the planetary atmosphere is likely the presence of an extended hydrogen envelope on this planet indicates the star's high energy mission is insufficient to strip its atmosphere. Therefore, TLI-700D, which receives less than half the insulation at sea, may have been able to maintain a secondary high mean regular weight as for even less susceptible to evaporation. It was discovered by a team of astronomers led by Emery Gerbert using the tests in early 2020, January 2022. Yeah. Here's it in its solar system. It's in the habitable zone. Well, B and C are way too hot and closer to its sun. Um, Here's it, as you can see. Yeah, pretty cool. Let's look at some other stuff here. Here's it compared to Earth. Very similar in size. Here's the depth of the transit of this planet. Well, that's what we have for it.